Good morning. So today I will be moving from this and getting rid of this on my server to this. So this mini series I'll be replacing Windows Home Server 2011 with CentOS or CentOS 7, part of me learning for the RHCSA exam, and I have a disk that Windows fails to see, and booting up with Linux, any flavor or any distribution, actually I can see the disk and access the data. So I copied off the data just in case to make a backup, and I decided, you know what, since I'm moving everything to Linux, this machine will become my Linux server now. So this is my home server where I have my videos and pictures and documents and backups and stuff like that on there, and my music. So I will be moving to CentOS 7, like I said, but I will show you how I do this and what I struggle with getting rid of Windows and getting CentOS 7 on that server and configuring it for the rest of the house to work. Okay, stay tuned.